This YouTube channel has skyrocketed to over 160,000 subscribers and more than 80 million views in just a few short months, and the strategy behind it is absolutely brilliant. They're uploading AI-generated YouTube shorts featuring beautiful, realistic women playing guitar and singing on stage, perfectly lip-syncing to trending songs. The visuals are stunning, cinematic, and impossible to scroll past, and that's exactly why their videos are pulling in millions of views each. In today's video, I'm going to break down step-by-step how you can create these viral AI shorts yourself using simple AI tools, from generating the characters to syncing the music and editing for maximum engagement. So grab your notepad, watch till the end, and let's create your next viral video together. The very first step in creating your AI-generated music video is to produce the song itself, and that starts with writing the lyrics. To make this part super simple, I've created a Google Doc with ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts that will help you generate professional, catchy lyrics for your AI music in seconds. You can find the link to the Google Doc in the video description, so make sure to check it out and follow along. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like this video because it really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend it to more creators just like you. Now let's jump back in. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the music prompt provided. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and make one small tweak. Add the name of a song you want your lyrics to match in style or vibe. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate a set of unique, professional-quality lyrics for your AI music video. Take a moment to read through the results, and if it's not exactly what you're looking for, simply ask ChatGPT to regenerate new lyrics until you find the perfect fit. This step is fast, easy, and crucial for creating your viral AI-generated YouTube shorts. Now that we've got our lyrics ready, it's time to bring them to life by creating our AI-generated music. Head over to Suno AI, click on the music icon, and you'll see the main music creation interface. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics you generated earlier, and paste them directly into Suno. To make sure your song has the perfect rhythm and tone, return to ChatGPT again and ask it to suggest a music style that fits your lyrics, then click enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will provide the perfect style of music. Copy the style and paste it back into Suno. After that, give your music a title, then click Create. Suno AI will start generating multiple versions of your song based on the lyrics and style you provided. This process only takes a few moments, and once it's complete, you'll see several music tracks appear on your screen. Take your time to preview each version carefully. Once you find the one that best matches your vision, go ahead and download it to your device. This track will serve as the foundation for your AI-generated YouTube shorts. The next step is to generate the image of a woman playing the guitar. But before we can create the image, we first need a high-quality image prompt. Head over to the Google Doc. Inside, you'll find a ready-to-use image prompt template that's designed specifically for this project. Copy that prompt, then open ChatGPT and paste it in. Once you click enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate a detailed, professional image prompt that you can use to create your visual scene. If you're not fully satisfied with the prompt, or you want to explore a different style, for example, changing the lighting, outfit, or stage setup, simply ask ChatGPT to regenerate or refine the prompt until it perfectly fits your vision. Now that we've got our image prompt ready, it's time to generate our actual image. And for this step, we'll be using Magic Hour, one of the most powerful and user-friendly AI tools for content creators. Head over to Magic Hour using the link provided in the video description. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface that offers all-in-one video creation tools, including text-to-video, video-to-video, image-to-video, face swap, and much more. The best part? Magic Hour provides 90% of its tools completely free so you can experiment and create. Now to generate your image, click on the AI Image Generator option. This will open up the image creation dashboard. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt you generated earlier, and paste it directly into Magic Hour. From here, select the art style you want. You can choose between animated, comic book, anime, or any style you prefer, depending on your vision. After that, choose your aspect ratio. Since we're creating a YouTube short, make sure to select 9:16 vertical format for the best viewing experience. Once everything looks good, click Generate, and Magic Hour will start creating your image. Within a few moments, you'll see two beautifully rendered images based on your prompt. Review both results carefully. Look at the lighting, the expression, and overall composition, and then download the one you prefer directly to your device. This will serve as the main visual element for your AI-generated YouTube short. The next step is to bring our image to life by animating it into a video. We're going to add realistic movement using Magic Hour. Head back to Magic Hour, then click on Image to Video. You'll be taken to the animation interface, where you can easily transform your static image into a dynamic, lifelike video. Start by uploading the image you just generated. Then in the animation prompt box, type something simple and direct like a girl playing guitar. Next, adjust your video settings for the best results. Set your video resolution to the highest quality option available to get crystal clear visuals. Then set your video duration. One of the biggest advantages of Magic Hour is that it can generate AI videos up to 60 seconds long, something most other AI tools can't do. This makes it perfect for creating longer, more engaging AI shorts that hold viewers' attention. Once your settings are ready, click Render Video, and Magic Hour's in animating your image. After a few moments, your fully animated AI video will be ready to preview. Take a look at the results. You'll notice how smooth and realistic the animation is, with subtle movements that make the character feel alive. It's exactly what we need to make our AI YouTube short visually captivating. When you're happy with it, go ahead and download the final video directly to your device. If you want to save time and speed up the entire process, Magic Hour also gives you a faster option, the text-to-video feature. This tool allows you to skip the image generation step completely and go straight from a written prompt to a fully animated video in just one click. Here's how to do it. Click on Text to Video, and you'll be presented with the video creation interface. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt we generated earlier. Return to Magic Hour and paste the prompt into the text box. Next, choose your video resolution. Always select the highest quality for the best results. Then, set your video duration. Like I mentioned earlier, Magic Hour can generate videos up to 60 seconds long, which is a huge advantage for creators who want more flexibility in their content length. Finally, choose your aspect ratio. Since this is a YouTube short, select 9:16 vertical format for optimal performance. Once everything is ready, click Render Video, and Magic Hour's AI will start generating your fully animated video based on the prompt. Within moments, your video will be ready to preview. Take a look. You'll notice how stunning and realistic it looks, with smooth animation and perfect lighting. This method is perfect for creators who want to move quickly without going through the image generation step. The next step is to lip-sync your video to the music we generated earlier. For this, we'll use Magic Hour's lip sync feature. Start by clicking on Lip Sync, which will open the video creation interface. Upload the video you previously animated, then click Continue. Next, select the lip sync mode that best fits your project. Magic Hour offers different options depending on how precise or natural you want the lip movement to look. After that, upload the music track you created with Suno AI. Once everything is in place, click Generate Video. The AI will automatically sync the music vocals with the character's lip movements in your video. Within moments, your lip-synced AI video will be ready to preview.
Caught in the night, where the silence speaks.
You can see how smooth and accurate the lip movements are, perfectly matching the music. When you're satisfied, download the video to your device. The final step is to add captions, making your video more engaging and optimized for viewers who watch without sound. For this, we'll use Magic Hour's subtitle generator. Click on Subtitle Generator in Magic Hour, and you'll be taken to the caption creation interface. Upload the lip-synced video we created earlier, then click Next. You'll be prompted to choose a caption template. Browse the available options and select the one that fits your video's style. You can also customize the color and style of the captions to match your visuals perfectly. Once everything is set, click Render Video, and in just a few moments, your fully captioned AI video will be ready. Download it to your device, and you're done. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Caught in the night, where the silence speaks. Hearts on fire, chasing endless dreams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.